I've explained what auto, broad, and phrase match campaigns are. Now, what are exact match campaigns? Why are they useful and how you can use them to scale your business? Let's go. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube family. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Andy. I've been selling on the Amazon FBA platform as a private labeler for a few years now, so definitely subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in any Amazon FBA related topics. I post videos twice a week, as well as on my Instagram, where I release videos, where I release content 5 days a week. Wow, I can't talk today. But welcome to the family. If you guys have any questions, always leave them down in the comments below. If you guys have any topics that you want me to cover, also leave those down below in the comments. If you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is stay till the end of this video for finding out exactly how you could be winning that. But in this video, as mentioned, I do want to cover what exact match campaigns are. So if you haven't already checked out the last few videos, I definitely go over what exactly PPC ads are, or sponsored ads, as well as automatic campaigns and exact phrase and broad match campaigns. In this video, as mentioned, I do want to cover exactly what exact match campaigns are and exactly how it sounds. I just said that about 5 million times, but exact match campaigns are more targeted and probably one of the most targeted match type campaigns that you could probably ever use within the Amazon FBA platform, next to, let's say product targeting or ASIN targeting. So as an example, say you want to actually target the exact term black pens. It's simple. You would just go ahead and input exactly what you want to target. So if you're targeting black pens, you would input that into exact phrase match type campaign. If you wanted to target more loosely, as mentioned in the last few videos, you would use, let's say, a broad or phrase match campaign, target black pens, and you would target things as mentioned more loosely. For example, like plural terms, relevant terms that are synonyms to black pens, any misspellings, mix and match characters. So if you input black pens, you would put small black pens or black pens ballpoint, things like that. That's exactly what a phrase and broad match would do. But with exact match, you are targeting almost exactly that term. So if you're targeting black pens, you're actually only targeting black pens or black pen. So if you're curious as to about how you actually get these exact terms to target, well, there's many different ways you can go about doing so. As mentioned in the last few PPC videos and sponsored ad videos, a lot of those campaigns and a lot of those match types are used for the exact match campaigns. They're used as keyword miners for you to extract all that data from to place into the exact match campaigns. So for example, if you find that black pens is giving you a lot of sales, and let's say you got that from an automatic campaign, you would go ahead and toss that into your exact match campaign. Because you know that it's driving a lot of traffic, it's driving a lot of sales, and if you're going for things with lower A costs, you can definitely do that as well. Extracting this data from these other match campaigns is extremely useful in terms of taking away keyword targeting, taking away cost per click, how much you want to bid, where the impressions are coming from, and where the majority of the impressions are coming from. So definitely useful data just to pull out from the rest of these campaigns to place into these exact match campaigns for exactly the scalability of your business and direct targeting. So in terms of optimization and where to place your ad spend for these certain exact match campaigns and the exact terms, your adjustments to the bids are much more influential to where your actual targeting and where your ad spend will be placed. So let's say you are targeting black pens and you're targeting 5 cents. If you're bidding 5 cents, if you're bidding 5 cents for black pens, the amount of impressions you will receive for this actual keyword will be very little, because chances are a lot of people are bidding upwards of $1, $2, $3, $4. So Amazon rewards higher bidders for these actual keywords. So it depends on where you find your sweet spot and where you want your profitability to be and where you want your ACoS to be. So one of the beauties of exact match campaigns is your bids directly affect the amount of visibility and appearance that your product gets for these certain keywords. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. But basically, if you were to increase your bids, the number of impressions would also increase because Amazon is more willing to show your actual product under these keywords because you are bidding more. So let's say you're bidding $1 and it's up to $1 per click. So you could be bidding anywhere from, say 50 cents to $1 if you are bidding $1 for black pens. Again, this costs more because you are directly targeting these keywords, but you will receive more impressions, and these impressions are more directly directed towards this actual keyword that's relevant to your product. So you've probably heard me say this many times in the past, and you've probably heard anybody in sales ever say this, but it's been an ongoing trend where a lot of people are saying, PPC isn't required, marketing isn't required. PPC is one of the biggest forms of marketing, especially on the Amazon platform. So if you're looking to, get your product out there for people to see, it's extremely important in being able to scale your business off these impressions and just getting your product out there for people to see. Sometimes a lot of people are saying it's not worth it to spend that ad spend to gain that visibility, to gain that traffic, but I tend to argue otherwise because I find that as long as you're using your PPC and as long as you're using that ad spend optimally, it definitely helps your business in actually growing the amount of consumers that you have, growing your, let's say, BSR ranking, keyword ranking, everything else like that. But anybody in marketing, anybody in sales knows that you need to actually show your product, have more impressions, get your product out there, just to make the sales that you wouldn't be making otherwise, because they wouldn't really see your product. So for me, it's extremely important. Definitely up to you guys, but I find it's extremely important in scaling your business. And if you're not just using PPC, you could be marketing otherwise. So if you have a really nice product or a really viral product, something like that, you could be also advertising on Facebook. But that's another form of marketing, advertising that you guys could look into. But hopefully that video helped you guys out, cleared some of the questions that you guys have about exact match campaigns. It's super useful, super helpful, definitely beneficial in scaling your business in the long term, especially. And PPC in general is an art, in my opinion. It's an art that I'm not the best at, to be honest, but I have other people to help me with that. So definitely learn PPC. If you guys haven't checked out the last few videos on what sponsored ads are, automatic campaigns, phrase, and broad match campaigns, definitely go check that out as well. But hopefully, again, this video helped you guys out. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. And if you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is like this video, comment down below, hashtag Prestige Amazon FBA, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you guys have any questions, again, or have any topics that you'd like me to cover or talk about, drop them down in the comments below. But I thank you guys for tuning in and watching till the end. I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.